to show you guys now on both two new Samsung tech that we're really impressed with. Rosanna has the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 smartphone and I'm wearing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Here are some of the cool things that these devices can do to enhance your everyday life.
One of the coolest features about this smartphone is that it flips open and close. When the phone is flipped closed in the cover screen, you can see messages and notifications. I also like to take advantage of the freestyle angle to retouch my makeup and of course to do my fun dancing videos.
Let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, which easily connects to the Galaxy Z Flip 3 smartphone. One of my favorite features is the body composition analysis. It's super easy to do. I'm someone who likes tracking my fitness activities and health metrics, leading a healthier and connected lifestyle.
Obsessed with this phone, and you can purchase any of these amazing Samsung Galaxy products at Amazon.com.